Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Toyota Landcruiser pickup. It's by Hotwheels and part of their Hotwheels Silver series. So this stands in between mainline and premium, and so you'll have some details which are better than mainlines, like detailed headlamps and tail lamps, better wheels, but still misses on stuff like real rider rubber wheels, like premium paint and metal base. Yeah, those are the differences, more and less basic differences. So let's open this one up and see how does it look. So here's the Landcruiser out of its box. First thing first, love the classic paint, red and white. Looks amazing on a Landcruiser. Since it's a silver series, so you got nicer wheels compared to mainline, but these are still plastic, not rubber. And you've got detailed front, looks really good. You got headlamp, grill, Toyota badge, turn indicators, all of them are detailed. You also got a winch up front, tow hooks, which all looks nice, and this classic sticker job, which again looks nice on a Landcruiser. I don't think it will look good on any newer cars. Surprisingly, they did both the mirrors, which is really good. They tend to miss out, Hot Wheels tend to miss out mirrors on older cars. It's a Japanese car, so steering should be on the right side. So on the driver's side, you get that sticker, the classic sticker going on. You got detailed door handle, as docked mirror. It's a regular cab, so 2-door, one on each side. You also see a small window that you could open to get some air in. Wheel design looks really good, very different. Actually, very old school kind of alloy design. They had designs like this. Also, you can see you've got the bed here, and then Hot Wheels written here. Bed has this slight design, like old school design, where there's place to tie stuff. I guess tie ropes and all that. Also got a small step here with the. So I think the only thing you can see which is like closest to this design these days is a Wrangler. Even Bronco has like a different shape. It's like flat in the front, but Wrangler still does this kind of wheel arches or wheel flares. So I think they all started looking like this, and I think Landcruiser, Jeep, Nissan Petrol, even Land Rovers, they all had like these kind of design in the starting, but then they kind of changed over time. Coming to the back, again good details. You've got Toyota on the tailgate, 4x4, detailed tail lamps, and this glass piece here, which looks good. Pedestrian black, most of the parts slightly black, red hair. Moving to the passenger side, looks almost identical. I don't know if I miss the fuel filler somewhere. Maybe they didn't detail it. Couldn't see. Yeah, if you know where the fuel filler is on the Landcruiser, let me know. I might just Google it. But yeah, I'm talking about the casting. Back to the casting. Looks good. Has got good details, especially lights front and back, and I think makes a really good addition to the other Landcruiser collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.